If you're looking for ways to reduce stress and improve your mental well-being, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through some of the best apps available for mental health and stress relief, including Calm, Headspace, and BetterHelp. Plus, I'll show you how to get the most out of each app to achieve lasting mental peace. Let's dive in. First up is Calm. This app is famous for its sleep stories, guided meditations, and breathing exercises. It's great if you're looking to wind down after a long day or need help staying present during stressful moments. Here's a quick walkthrough. When you open Calm, the home screen greets you with today's meditation. Simply tap play, put on your headphones, and let the soothing voice guide you. Set a daily reminder for a 10-minute mindfulness session. It makes a huge difference. Next is Headspace, a colorful app designed to make meditation accessible to everyone. What sets it apart is its approachable design and bite-sized meditation sessions. When you launch Headspace, pick a meditation series based on your goals, whether it's stress relief or better sleep. One cool feature is the SOS meditations for those emergency moments of stress. Use the focus music playlists when you're working or studying for a mental boost. Finally, let's talk about BetterHelp, a completely different kind of mental health app. This one connects you with licensed therapists for virtual counseling. To get started, you'll answer a few questions to match with a therapist based on your preferences and goals. Once matched, you can book video sessions or send messages whenever you need help. Be clear about your goals during the onboarding process to find the right therapist for your needs. And that's a wrap. Whether you're into guided meditations or need professional support, there's an app to help you take control of your mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on self-care and mental health. What are your go-to mental health apps? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.